Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. I'm so happy to be back. I know it's been a while and I apologize, but I'm back. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. I am so excited that you're here. And if you could please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, I would really appreciate it. We are going to be working in our Plum Paper planner, and that is a tongue twister, yes. And this month we are doing the June monthly highlights. Now, somebody had emailed me, hi, and they had asked what ideas do I have for the monthly highlights. And obviously it's a personal preference, but I'm going to go ahead and set my 2 pages up. However, I did want to, after we do this, I do want to talk about some of the ideas that I have for the planner. So let's get started. This month, the colors are orange. And so I had chosen to use the Modern Farmhouse book. I'm pulling stickers from that. And then also I'm using this washi tape. I think I'm going to be using only the orange. So let's go ahead and get started. Actually, first let me put these guys down. Now for these, it says goal 1, 2, and 3. Set a small goal. Don't put a lot of pressure on yourself with these goals because everybody is busy, and especially during this time, just use this, just have fun with this. Sometimes what I do with these is I'll put 3 short little quotes in here. So let's go ahead and lay these down. I want to make sure that I lay it down straight. I hope everybody's doing well. Now, these don't completely cover the circles, and I'm okay with that. You know, I always say that it's probably just best to play with it, have fun with it. It's not worth being too serious over it. I do love my planners. I have so many. It's ridiculous. So let's go ahead and place this down. Okay, so there you go. So up here, what I'll be doing is I'll probably put a short little quote or maybe affirmations. I could do that up here also. Okay, well, I thought that I had some washi tape that was a little bit thicker, but I don't. So instead, what we are going to do is we are going to lay down some of these long boxes, and this will do the job just fine. If a little bit shows, you know me, I don't care. Okay, so then we'll do this next one. It might show. See, that one worked perfectly. Okay, and then I don't have a long piece of washi, so what I am going to use for that one is a box similar, same coloring, the same color families as the other stickers that I'm going to use. Okay, so we're just going to keep going with it. And then let's put one down here. You know what? I am all about using what you have and trying to be creative with what you have. So if something just doesn't work out, play around with it. Just make it fun. It's not worth stressing over. It's just for fun. There we go. Now that one fit perfectly. I don't know what I did with this one, but anyway. So then what we're doing over here is I'm putting here family activities. So we're going to go ahead and schedule family activities for that. And then here, favorite meals I've had. Let's start that right here because this is long. Maybe move it over just a slight bit. All right. And then the magical moments. Okay, magical moments. So you can use these monthly highlights. It doesn't just have to be about bills and about, you know, like home repairs or whatever, or the birthday and activities, or the birthdays or the anniversaries. You can make this any way you want to. I know sometimes it gets hard to think about what to do, but nothing is wrong. It's all right. It's just what you feel comfortable in doing. Oops, that wasn't straight. Gosh, it looks like it's going to storm again. We've been having some really bad storms. We had a tornado watch not too long ago in our area. Okay, so that's that. And then next month's goals we can put right here. You know, you can plan out what you're going to be doing for the month of July, what trips you want to take, like day trips or staycations. And then the family activities, that what we have done or what we are planning. Favorite meals that we had, or you could put favorite restaurants. A few highlights of fun times of what was going on, what you purchased. And I'm thinking this would be something cute if you did one for, say, if you took your family to Disney or any kind of vacation. That would be fun. And then next month's goals. Okay, so then let's work over here on this side. And what I'd like to do is lay out important dates. And again, it's whatever you are comfortable with. Let's straighten that out. Now these stickers that I'm using, these are from Bottled Honey Designs. And these came in with my November monthly dashboard, but I saved them so that I could use them with my plum paper. And with this important dates, I'd like to lay this down. Let's make sure that I line it up with this. I want to line it up with the lines. Okay, so we've got important dates right there. It needs to be moved up a little bit. Okay, and then right here, you could always do one, and let's see how we can lay this down so that we have space. Okay, so then that one, we could make a shopping list for all of those important dates. Maybe it's birthdays or anniversaries, some celebrations. Let me actually move this down and maybe do it like that. All right. And then let me see if this third box will fit down here. Yeah, it barely fits down here. We're going to squeeze it in. And this goes down here. And this could be, say, our monthly budget. And then we could also write right here. I have a little sticker that says "Make Life Wonderful." And then if we need to, say, add a list of other items, you could add that. Let me see. You know what you could put? Let's say you could possibly say like anniversaries. And then do that way. And let's see what else we can do. So this side, okay, we've got to do something with that. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so let's look in this book. This box, this might be too big, but that's kind of cute. It says, find the joy in the ordinary. And we have to find something over here. This big heart. And maybe we'll put one of these little hearts. Okay. That did not turn out the way that I had expected it to. However, I guess it all worked out for the best. So this is an idea, and I'm so embarrassed, but anyway, this is an idea of how you can use your monthly highlights. Like I said, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but I also wanted to tell you that for these circles, you can do to-dos, 3 to-dos. You could do don't forget. You can put birthdays, reminders. You can also put, like for the birthdays, you can do phone calls, who you need to call. And then some ideas are also, you can put, like a one-line goal for each of these. And then in this area, you can do like an AM, PM routine. You can do bills due, things to remember like they had here. Of course, the birthdays and the important dates. And then you can also put like this, priorities. Over on this side, what you can do is you can put affirmations, like list your affirmations here and recite those every single day or every month. And then you can do next month planning. You can create a spreadsheet or a little sheet for your savings. You can also put in motivational quotes, which is what I do. I usually do like affirmations and I do motivational quotes. Or what I do on this page is I do a monthly recap. And so you can just recap the entire month, things that stood out that were fun. And also what I've used this area for, and this side too, is house goals. Things that you want to do in the garage, things that, maintenance for your car, maintenance for the actual, your house. And then other things that you can do with this is what to focus on, what is something that you'd like to do? Maybe goal setting. You could use this side as goal setting. So I think with the little hiccups that I came across with this, I don't think it turned out too bad. So it is functional and I'll be excited to use it. So I can't wait. I know June, we do have some family activities going on, and it'll be nice to put a little note about 1 or 2 things that are going on for the month. And then next month's goals, I know I'll be traveling, so I can put stuff about my travel for that. And also for June, we have so many birthdays, and we have anniversaries. So that'll be helpful. And then the shopping list, you can make your shopping list for your July birthdays, or you can even plan out what you want to, you can plan out now what you want to get for those important days, for those anniversaries and such. And then you can plan out your little monthly budget, how much you want to spend on everything. So there is so much to do. Like this little sheet, it has also books I've read, places I went, TV schedule, if there are certain TV shows that you'd like to stay up on. You could also list the movies that you've been watching or documentaries that you've watched. You could use it as a grocery list or a monthly meal plan. So there is just a plethora of ideas that you could use these two areas for. And the way that you decorate it, you could divide it in threes, or you could divide it in six areas. What I've done with one is I divided it in 6 areas, and each area was an area in my house. So for instance, the kitchen, the first bathroom, second bathroom, the bedrooms, the laundry room, and the downstairs, the family room downstairs. And what you can do is you can list things that you want to get done, goals that you have for those specific rooms, and then you can check them off. So there is a lot to do. If you have any ideas, please add your comments. I would love to hear your comments. And, like I said, always that working in a planner, it should be fun. It shouldn't be stressful. And I do this for fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And please don't forget to subscribe and to like the videos. I appreciate you guys coming and checking in on me and watching my videos. It's really helped my channel out a lot. And if you could spread the word and tell your friends, that would be wonderful too. So I hope you guys have a wonderful May. And I'm looking forward to the summertime, for summer in June. And hopefully we'll see more sunshine and less rain in June than we have this month. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.